Hey guys, how are you doing today? Whoever doesn't know me, my name is Despina. Today I'm back with another video. Today we will be doing something we never done before in this channel, okay? So make sure to keep watching and stay focused because today we will be working. So, I have another one of this, right? We're not going to be doing this today, but this project is for this. So I decided to decorate it with flowers, different kind of flowers, different colors, different shapes. So I don't want to just start blind, right? I want to start this project with you to show you the process of me searching, the process of me designing colors, maybe where to place everything on this. But yeah, so I did this, okay, from my university. We were doing like mood boards. It's been ages I've been doing mood boards and things like that, but I did like a class online. It's like a course, and she shows how this woman, I'll link it down below also in case you want to take the course. It's a 33-minute course, but anyways, I took the course and she showed so many ways you can do an easy mood board. Like they provide you like a mood board, and maybe you can just add your pictures and things like that. So it's like a fast and easy way to create a mood board for a project. So in case you're in a hurry, you need to show your client the mood board just to start the project. That's the best way. So I have my notebook here, I have my laptop right here, and we will be starting this project together. So I'll be recording my screen and let's get started. Also, I hope you're doing very well today. I didn't ask. I'm doing very well. I hope you are okay as well. Please let me know in the comments below. It's an interesting day. It's raining again. So yeah, I hope if you don't have anything to do, join me on this video and let's get started. And it's also going to be a way for you to see what I'm doing. Like sometimes I tell you guys what I'm doing, but I think it will be easier for you to see my whole research point. Maybe you can do a mood board yourself and choose your own pictures to use, or just maybe if you want to create what I'm doing, you can do that as well. I'll be posting everything on my Instagram as well, like after I post the video, so you guys can follow and see the process. But yes, let's start. So as you can see, I have my Google here. I'm going to Canva. Yes, Canva. And then, okay, so after I set up my my email and my things like that, I put that I'm a small business. If you want, you can put you're a student. So after we do that, we are finding our, what are you doing? No. Now I remember. So what we do, we go to the templates right here, and we will go to photo collages. So what I did, I went to templates, I pressed on templates, then I went to more, and then I went to photo collages, and then I'm pressing here mood boards. Okay, if you want, you can have a look at anything else, but for now we need to start with the mood board. Okay, I'll go through and see which one I like. I like the pictures of this one. I like this one as well. Guys, I can't believe this, but I messed up real bad. I accidentally paused my camera because it was a bit loud, and I forgot to resume the video. So you'll be able to hear me because I'm recording on my laptop. So you can hear me, you can also see what I'm doing, but you cannot see me, which is okay because you would be only able to see a small box, but sometimes I'm looking at the camera, but it's okay. Just bear with me. You'll see me at the end. I'm saying goodbye, but for now, I'm sorry. You just need to see my page, my desktop image. So enjoy. Okay, so after you find which template you like, you press on that and use this template. And as you can see, here's our template, and now we can customize it. It says here how you can do, you can upload pictures from there, you can share. Okay, so let's get started. I don't have any photos yet, so that's only my logo. Okay, so because I started from the background because I want like a very colorful theme. I prefer to leave the background plain. Okay, so let's start. There's different elements here. I'll press effects and see what they have. You can change here the colors. I really want to search for pictures of flowers, so I will go ahead and go to elements and press flowers. Very pretty flowers. I rather find something more realistic because I don't want to copy these exact ones. Let me think. I'm going to photos and I'm going to search flowers. I think that's better. Okay, very pretty. So now you can choose if you want something more complicated, if you want something easier. You can pick flowers that are easier to draw, maybe like a bigger design. Also, as you can see, there's like free pictures. There's the other ones that have like the crown. It means it's not free. You need to have a Canva Pro, which you need to be paying for that, and we don't want that. We want what's free. Okay, I'm going to search tulips and see what colors they show. Okay, so here we have some. Ooh, these are very nice. I just found this. They're like open tulips, which I think is going to look very nice. So I can choose where I want to place this. I think I want to place it right there, a small picture. So let me give you an overview of the mood board, just in case you don't know. So usually a mood board is decorated with colors, pictures, fonts, which fonts are the letters, like the titles, or here, as you can see, a few words that describe your mood board. Usually people don't really use words, but you can always use a few words to describe what your mood board is about. Not a lot of text, but like just a couple of words, like you can see here. And of course a color palette. And sometimes if it's a real mood board, you're going to provide to your employer, your customer, or whatever. Usually it's better to use real elements. Let's say you can always just stick flowers in your mood board, or you can use real fabrics just so they see, but it also depends what your project is about. So because I'm doing fashion, in case I would create a mood board for a client for for a garment. Of course, they would expect me to stick on my mood board fabrics of the ones I'm considering for the specific garment. So yes, just a tip, I guess, in case you don't know. So now that we're done with tulips, I'm going to search again. I want to pick rose, okay, roses. So let's see roses. Roses are not the easiest ones to make, to draw, but I think if you pay a lot of detail to them, they can come out very, very pretty. So let's see. So if you like, since we started with pink, we can go ahead and choose similar tones, or we can go ahead and choose something completely different, like white. But I'll try to see what I like. Okay, I might go to elements and pick white roses, okay? So it doesn't mean you're going to use everything you put on the board. You can, or you don't need to copy them, okay? So I'm taking inspiration right now. I'm not specifically going to use, I'm not going to copy what I'm pasting on my board, which you could do, don't get me wrong. So most of the white roses pictures are not free, which is sad, but I'm going to keep searching and see if I can find anything interesting for you guys to see. Okay, I just found this. I'm going to place my rose right here. I'm going to tilt it a bit like this, right here. So these are, so for now we are, as you can see, we are filling out the pictures, and then we will take a color palette from our pictures. Ooh, okay, I like this one a lot. It's too bright, so maybe let's see if I can make it a bit lighter. I like this one. It's like an orangey color. Ooh, I like that picture a lot. So I'll be using that. And yes, I'm very happy with the result. Let me see again the elements if I can find something better as a rose. Sorry guys, my laptop was dying through the process of this because I had a lot of programs open and a lot of tabs on the internet. But what I did now, I just chose some different element, like the flower I just found. It's a tulip. So that thing is, I will probably be using, like, instead of a tulip, I'm going to use the same thing, but I'm going to make a rose probably on the real painting. So I'm going to make the exact tulip, the exact flower, like using the exact colors, but in the form of a rose. Yes. Okay, so after finishing with the pictures and the element I added, I am moving on to the color palette. I am changing it to match my pictures, okay? So what I do, I just press on the circle and then I go on top on the square I just showed you, and it opens up that slot where you can choose. As you can see, like, it gives you different it gives you colors from your individual images that match your picture, so you can choose whichever color you want for your mood board, and you'll be seeing which ones I'll be using for mine. So the first thing, once I'm finished with the pictures and everything, I don't like the font, so I want to make it more similar to my template, you know, right? our name first of all, and then let's see what other fonts they have. Okay, let's see this one. Let's see. It's too big. Smaller, please. Let's make it bigger like this. Okay. After choosing your font, I went ahead and I'm changing the color of it. I'm doing it a darker green, and after I'm done with that, I'm moving on to the other logo on the side. As you can see, I am fixing a bit the size of the circle so it fits all my name because it couldn't fit it, and then I will be changing the color into color orange. So what I did next is to find a nice like a font for the bottom words I'm going to use. I found this one, but I don't like the other letters that is around the main title, so I deleted those, and I will be changing those letters, and I will making the size smaller, putting them at the bottom side and changing a bit how they look so they look nice on the mood board. So have a look and let's keep going. Okay, I think that's enough, right? I think that's pretty good. We have all the colors we're going to use. We have red, green, orange, yellow, pink. You can always add more colors, you can always add less. You can always add less pictures. I know that a good number of pictures is 3. You always start with 3 until 6 pictures on one page. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures, which is good. I have 5 colors, and then I have 1 font. No, sorry, 1 effect, which is basically another picture. So it's a really good number. Our font matches our colors, it matches the image. We can always change the font if you would like that. I actually like it. I like that I also make my logo. I made my logo here like a different color, more vibrant, so it doesn't blend in with the pictures. It sort of stands out. I think that is done. Okay, we are basically done. I'm very proud of what we guys made today, honestly. It actually didn't take as long as I thought it would be, so I'm very glad. I think Canva is a very good app to use. I know there's also Adobe Spark you can use for free, like mood boards and things like that, so if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, today we did something very nice. I'll put the images on the screen so you guys can see the outcome. Let me know, guys, if you enjoyed it. Honestly, I really did. But yeah, make sure to check my Instagram because I'll definitely post them there. I'm thinking of posting them on Pinterest as well, but I'll have a look. And yeah, so if you guys want another video like this, let me know. Also remember, this is like a part 1. I'll make a part 2 where I'll be painting this drawing on the wood I bought. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on Monday. Bye bye.